Right, okay, welcome back everybody. Nice to be doing another video. I'm really enjoying these sort of things. For this one I will be making a part 2 and hopefully a part 3 because I do hope to develop this, as this is literally the basics of the basics and you can't get any more basic about it, to put it simply for you. But with gesture, what is gesture really? It's not the contour lines and it's not the details. Many people just want to go straight into the details, but you can't get into details until you learn how to draw gesture. You don't need to be a professional on it, you just need to know roughly the first and second shapes I'm drawing here. The third shape I do go into a little more detail, but honestly, if you can just manage to draw the first shape and the second shape, you are in complete clear. You can literally develop anything. Any human, any form of anatomy, whatever. And no, you don't have to learn all about anatomy, although if you were going to be drawing your detail lines, I would definitely suggest that you learn some basics of anatomy. That way you can learn where the muscle goes and where the joints are, etc, etc. But as all videos, I'm not showing you precisely how to draw this particular drawing. I'm showing you and trying to help you develop the skills of this knowledge, to then develop them yourself, to then dive in to be able to do more drawings like this by yourself without needing reference. But for these ones, I do suggest you spend at least 10 minutes a day practicing these, with spending maybe 1, maybe 2 minutes on each image. So go on Google, go on Pixabay, wherever you prefer, Pinterest, whatever, find a life drawing, not a life drawing, find a model, find something, and just use it as a bit of reference. One small thing to note, please don't ever trace your image for gesture drawing, because gesture drawing isn't you're trying to get your details, you're just trying to enlarge basically the details and the movements. You're trying to capture the movements. As you can see, my details here usually would be a lot better, but as I'm just enlarging the details and the movements, I've intentionally made it like that. So obviously it'll look pretty much crap for anybody. The way you do that is just follow the lines. Just forget about detail completely. Make your movements huge, large, and extravagant, right? Just enlarge them a lot, and just follow the basic lines of them. As you can see from the first one, you can easily see how any drawing can be transformed into something much more complex. I didn't go into more complex, but I do plan for number 2. I'm hoping you enjoy these short videos. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.